Here's a video. The man on the TV is in some hurricane force winds, hooked to some old style plow. All you see is the winds. It's not a hurricane. Unless it's a hurricane. I don't think it's a hurricane. I don't think it was a hurricane. That field had to be played. Yeah, it must have had to been done, because he really should not have been outside. Kraken? Oh, hell no. I don't know why it's going so slow. I was sitting there watching the show and I fell asleep. You know, not because I'm an old man now. No. I'm still as old as I was yesterday, just a little bit more. Hey, shut up. Don't you tell me no. It's on my TV too. Stop resisting! Is resisting. You better take your psychotronic gun handle. You know Albert doesn't like when you take weird shit. Oh, he doesn't. What are you doing with that? Stuff? Why are you bringing it? I can't say. Are you now willfully holding back your knowns? I guess so. I wondered how and why before. Then the questions came and I was like, what? Why are you asking me that? It took that long to realize this nigga's looking at me all crazy as hell. Not that it was new. It's just something new in how I found it. Being found. Front door is locked. Frequency is slow. Check, double check. Need to put that thing on that window. Heard. Notebook, mental algorithm. It's not algorithm. Whatever. Alright, yeah. Inner awareness? You got fucking seagulls inside of you? I hope not. This is freaking me out. Hey man, I don't have any seagulls in me. You don't know what you have. It's time to get straight with God and yourself and humanity. Oh man. That's right. And we're using a new color scheme. Oh, I wanted to show you this. Sometimes in the pursuit of a fine video, your ensemble of details trips you up and you totally forget what you were doing. Never open the door, never find it's open. This I want the fuck out. That can go with or without. I'm gonna go put it in the front. area. I'll be right back. The topic is helping old bastards. There's old bastard. He's a finicky shopper. Normally you can't shop for him. And I didn't really know what to do. If somebody can't see and you're their eyes, but they can't tell you what they're looking at, and then they get mad and throw a fit, you're not going to go over it. And I thought this was like the impasse, but no, it's not an impasse at all. I had the sufficient will, whatever other, and maybe 3 other things. I told him he should get this because it works good. Now it's less amount and it's less, it's 3 instead of 5. Now me, I don't know, maybe it's just the lower nature, but I always want as much as is in there at all costs. You don't wiggle at all. I'm a terrorist in the regards of my own personal health. But now you know where some stuff is at. I did find some things I wouldn't be able to find if I needed to at the time. Ahead. They're just gonna move it. I hope they do. That's it. If they move it to the other side of the building, I'll be pissed. But if they don't jump from quadrant to extreme or whole other side, they out. Did you? No, that's not the one we get. So these things the wine comes in is, I'll show you. Might as well. You get there. I'll meet up with you in the line. I'm just gonna free radical on over there. Yeah. What'd she say? The rules of physics have changed? Yeah. Alright. She didn't specify how they changed, did she? No, just rules of physics. Ruthlessness. So this whole top area is those things. It's all right.
Ours is probably going to be on purpose.
We're in near to as bad a visibility of rain as one gets driving. And the people in front of us are not responding correctly. They're not going, but there's a line of lights. They can't go. We're going. Narrow exposure of the forever lights. Dad can't see, so I share. And pick up the topic of the video today was all them times you was trying to do something and you're like, this ain't gonna work. Good Lord. If you have the intent, it will finally work. No, you don't immediately know what the fuck you're working towards. But that's what the intent is set to do outright. Because it knows the end goal is a fucking goal. All the stages in between won't let that happen. Well, that's true. So normally I'll just not go, but that's the wrong spirit. I open myself to my spirit and I find I get this weird, odd, on-time knowledge that I've had different times. Now today I get the final processing of it into, well, where I learned something, and in every area of this same event I found it is a common thread and sort of have a new eyeball to have depth. That's all I can say, because I'm trying to help drive from Navigator. But you are. I am.